In this video, how can I convert any logo into a realistic logo? Of course, with AI. First, log in. Link in the first comment. Fill out the 3 questions. Create a new project. Name your project. Choose the dimensions of the image. I prefer choosing the first. Then click Apply. Choose a logo. After completing, click on Image to Image. Select a realistic style. In the text box, choose Prompt Auto. After completing, click Stylize. As you can see, the result is very realistic. Select the image that suits. Press Place on canvas. Now, if you want to download the image, you just have to click on Export.